Hey guys, and welcome. This is the key of the Škoda Kodiaq RS. It is already unlocked because it's wireless. So let's start moving. I'm gonna talk in this video because a lot of you left comments in the new Audi A1 that you want me to talk in my point of view videos. So quick walk around. This is the Kodiaq RS. One more time, blinkers, our LED lights. Beautiful. This car is black, some sort of metallic color with a blacked out badge, and the grille and the side mirrors and the roof racks, everything is black. It looks really nice, especially with this license plates that are just sticked. 20-inch alloy wheels, really big. Looks beautiful with that bottom step. Looks strong. The car is imposing on the road. Of course, black badge on the back, just the VRS is chrome, and the exhaust tips. Left one's real exhaust. This is the 2.0 diesel 4-cylinder, 239 horsepower. We can round it to 40. So if I hold the key, you can see the trunk opens, and it is big. 600 liters if I'm not mistaken. You can have even more. The front seats can tilt, actually slide forward, tilt, and knock down, so you have a lot of loading area. I'm not going to go into details, so I'm just going to close it here so we can head off and drive. This is the side look of it, and let's sit on the driver's seat. If you really want to see in-depth look of this car, in the top right corner there's going to be a link, so if you want to see that, you can see it there. You have your wireless phone charging, so I'm going to leave my phone there, and I think the car needs to be on. So you can leave your key here, don't forget it. And top window is open. I'm gonna close that. Actually, let me just start the car. 10 liters of fuel consumption. Just gonna show you the radio. Speakers are good. These are the Canton speakers. They are the upgraded versions. Have an amplifier below your seat, and they're pretty good. I think they're worth of the extra. This car is fully packed. See, there's hand gestures where you're driving, screens just to show you, classic digital with side information. Excuse me, fully digital, and the sport version. So I'm gonna leave it in this, and let's head on. We're driving. Actually, I'm gonna leave this, not to forget this key. Actually, I'm just gonna put it in my pocket. That's the safest thing. So I apologize if this entry is too long. Let's go. Automatic. Actually, turn this off, and off we go. Actually, we're in off-road mode. I don't want that. Okay, we're in normal now. I hope you can hear the purring sound. I'm gonna be a little quiet here so you can hear the engine, I mean the sound. Now the sound is projected through the speakers into the car. This is not a real exhaust sound. It's not that loud. Now you can play with the driving modes. I'm gonna put it in comfort here. You can hear still the sound. Now this is the all-wheel drive car, of course. And 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, or 62 miles per hour, is in 7 seconds. Okay guys, it looks safe behind me. That car is far away. Sport mode, all the way. Throttles all the way. Today there's some traffic. I don't know why. Usually this road is completely empty. But punch it more, and that's it. guys, there's no one behind me. And if you can see, that car is far away. One more time, we're in sport mode, and this is the last. We have to go. And just like that, 100. We can put the navigation here. Speed bumps. It's really comfortable. And this is the cobblestone. I'm trying to go slow because the camera, GoPro 7 has the, you know, that smooth video stabilization, but still there's always some shaking here. Some new road regulations. Not gonna wait for that lady. Okay guys, as you can see here, I've set it up. You can see 10 liters fuel consumption of diesel. Gotta let the bus go in front of me. You have multiple options here. If you want to see the digital instrument cluster, you can customize that inside. Always pay attention to the traffic. This is really just distraction. There's a little bit of traffic today. Still in comfort. You can see that little cloud in the digital cockpit, so it shows you what driving mode you're in. Of course, you have sport pedals, but I'm really not used to this. This is not a high performance car, although it is a really strong diesel engine. The screen is great. The graphics are crispy. I'm not sure if this guy's moving, waiting. Even in the, you know, just the comfort mode, you can hear the exhaust, the sound of the engine. The car handles really nice. The brakes are not too hard, they're good. The automatic is good, it's fast, especially for the VRS. Probably has a little better software, faster shifts, and the steering is good. It's precise, and there is no body roll in the corners. The car is really comfortable. Depending on your, suspension setting, you feel more or less row. This is the bad, and it's kind of really soft. If I go to normal, and if I go to sport, you can just hear more noise. It's less comfortable. So I like the individual setting. I think the steering wheel is more responsive, but it really depends on your settings. I didn't customize those, so that's the person that's actually driving this car as a company car. Actually, just let's stick to normal for a moment. You're driving 60, you want to just, 50, you just want to punch it. We're in sport mode. Easily pulse, but we're gonna keep it safe here. As you can see, the car is nice, picks up nice, even in just the normal mode, like in just drive. It's in sport, it's even more responsive, more stiff. Of course, you have here lane assist, distance in front of you, and yeah, he's not gonna turn, he's going to the highway. Of course, why not ruin my video? I'm just joking here. Wow, the car goes in a high revs for a regular mode, and yeah, normal. You can hear that. If I press to sport, you can hear the exhaust changing. Whoa, see, wow, that sound is so nice. Now, I've told this in the other video. If someone put a blindfold on you and you sit in this car and someone takes you for a drive and they don't tell you what brand this is, and they would just ask you before you take your blindfold off, after hearing the sounds and feeling the force, what car is this? I'm sure you would not say this is a Škoda car. Definitely when you sit in an SUV. Okay, we're here in the sport mode, and unfortunately we're just driving behind this slow truck. So let's keep it safe here. All the way to the floor. $140. And $150. That's top speed toleration by the police. I'm not gonna go above that. The car really sounds nice. I'm gonna give this guy a little space. So if you're driving 100 and you want to speed up, let's test that. There's a little kick when you put it all the way to the floor. It just, you know, speeds up easily. I'm gonna pull behind this guy. There's a lot of wind noise at this higher speeds, so let's put it in normal. And you can see the reps go down. You hear less of that fake sound. The car has a green, so it's registering the lanes. So if I go close, it's gonna, you know, put me back in the middle. So this is the, you know, speed limit. There is wind noise. There was a little wind today. You can hear the side windows. You have their blind spot warning. And I'm on winter tires, so there's a little bit of that. But overall good. So I want to put it driver's mode. I'm going to put it in comfort, and you can just definitely feel the change on the suspension. Of course, you can hear the sound. Okay, so we're back in normal driving mode. Now this car can pull up to 220 kilometers per hour. That's the top speed limitation. That's electronically limited. If you're in Germany, where you have you know, those autobahns that are really nice, you can drive as much as you want. The speed limit is actually the speed limit until which the insurance covers your damage is 250 kilometers per hour. So 250, you're okay. If you drive above that, they're not going to cover your damage if you have an accident and a crash. So most of the cars limit that speed around 250 or a little bit less. That's just a fun fact. The car is really comfortable for cruising. It's, you know, tall. That's why people buy SUVs. And there's really good view around you. There is no blind spot. You can see in the center mirror behind you really good. And you have just a good overview of your surroundings and the road. I want you guys to see me park this car, and we're gonna go to the garage so you can see actually this car in nighttime, because I got this car for maybe 2.5 hours, 3 tops. So unfortunately there's not going to be point of view night driving. I would love to film that for you, but at least now when I get into the garage, you can see a little bit of the ambient lights and how the car actually looks in the nighttime. So, you know, the good thing is here that these systems, as you can see here, keep you in the lane. Just don't practice that. Sometimes they're gonna confuse you because they react on their own. You can set the you can set up like how hard are they reacting in the car menus. Of course, we're in Croatia here in Zagreb, coming to the west side of the city. There's a river bank on the side there, as you can see. I'm really pleased with this car. Its comfort. Of course, it's the fully packed car, but it got a lot in the RS package, so it's definitely worth it. It's like today's just not my day. See, there's so many trucks, semis, or whatever you call them, just going my way, and I have to drive so slow. It's just killing the fun in this kind of car. you have to be gentle with the throttle. Ooh, there's a nice Škoda Octavia Scout. I'm gonna slow down so you can see the exterior of the car. Yeah, and that mirror looks so good. And you can see the screen shifted into its night mode. And this is how the car looks when you're in dark. As much as it dark can it be in this noon time. So let's park it somewhere in the dark. And there's plenty of spot here where it's completely safe to park my car. I mean, my car, you know what I mean. Test car, my test car. Okay, so you have a backing camera. I completely missed my spot, and okay, I'm gonna pull to that column, although I don't like that. And I'm trying to use the camera here, but I don't trust it, to be honest here. My battery's getting low, so I turned it off. But of course, if you put the car in reverse, you have all this. There's, if you want to park the car, there's this information, there's this information, there's all sorts of information. Now, if I press D, no, not that. Nope, nope, I don't want that. Yeah, I thought there was a 360 view, but you know, if I put it in park and press the camera, you can see that 3D looks, so not bad. I think you can, like, yeah, do this, turn. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna turn the car off. I don't think I parked really perfectly like I used to, but yeah, this is what's it. No, don't forget your phone. And there's a goodbye message for the, you know, person that's actually configured the car and his name. So yeah, terrible parking spot, I know, because things appear to be larger in the mirrors than they are, but look at it, it just looks so beautiful. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment below, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Always stay safe on the road. Lock it. Bye.